Go right on the roundabout and take the third exit.
Okay, you need to go around. That car's parked over there. Now, if this is your real test, examiner would have failed you within 5 minutes of your test start. So as we turn left at the roundabout,
No.
there was a car parked on the left. When we turned, there was a learner car was parked, and we stopped there for a long time.
Yeah, for a long time.
Why did we stop? Why we were not going around that car? Why do you think I have to tell you that time?
Okay, yeah, but I thought that we should stop, not cut across the other way, so I was waiting.
But why? So did you ask yourself question? There is no cars in front of him.
I asked, but I didn't take a decision.
Yeah. So he's not moving. His car more towards the left. There was no brake lights on either. So what is that indicating you? What is that telling you? That car, is that car parked or is that car stopped? Because if you stop the car, usually you press a brake, isn't it? When you stop at the traffic light, the red lights are on. Were there any brake lights were on that car?
No.
So what do you think that car was doing?
It was parked there.
So what you should have done?
I should have crossed.
So it's been a while. I really have to then jump in, and there was 4 or 5 cars behind us as well.
Yeah.
And they're not moving because of us, so that will be a serious fault in your exam. Okay, that means your forward planning and the decision making was poor that time.